Many things.
The fuck?
If you vote for me for mayor, I'll change the environment.
This planet's environment is important to me as a human being, and also should be to everyone else. Sometimes I go to the park to get a breath of fresh air. Hell, sometimes I squeeze out some shit. I don't like ducks. The earth is very precious and important, and we need to keep nature that way.
Dirt, that's nature, right? Dirt! Dirt!
Trees are an integral commodity in our ecosystem and are in grave danger beyond any human comprehension. I am starting a Tree Conservation Act to help the longevity of these beautiful, magnificent creatures on this earth. These trees have been through some shit. That's why we must keep them safe from harm. Every tree saved, every tree saved. Ducks? No, I don't like ducks.
Vote for me.
I still like to see the world the way God created it. Sheer beauty.
Terrible world we live in. The ducks eat all our fucking bread. I mean, I know I'm giving it to them, but shit.
So help me keep this planet free from pollution. For me, for you, and for future generations. God bless.
Nature has changed a lot since we've been on the earth, but I think it could be better with me as mayor. Eat fast, shit fast, change the world. I eat fast and I shit fast.